Oh, the Turks and Caicos Islands dealt with strong winds and rain today as Hurricane Erin moved through the area. The Category 3 storm is not, I repeat, not heading our way, but we are keeping a close eye on the tropics. So let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Chris Franklin for the very latest.
Yeah, they are getting impacts across parts of the islands, and really that's the worst it's going to be for any land areas. Not going to make landfall, but certainly in the vicinity of these storms will be impacted. Islands, and then as it moves up toward the east coast. More of interest to us, I should say, are a couple of areas that we're going to be watching over the next several days going into next week. One, though, kind of has our attention as a little wave that really is not showing any signs of development at the moment, could be developing as it nears the islands, but I'll explain why coming up. That doesn't look to be a threat for us either. Let's start with Hurricane Erin, however. It has been downgraded a bit, still a major hurricane, Category 3, and as we said, the Turks and Caicos are feeling some of the impacts of strong winds, heavy rainfall, as well as the higher surf, and they are under tropical storm warnings. We have tropical storm watches for the Bahamas as well as the Cape Hatteras, and really the outer banks of North Carolina. Now, earlier this had been extended up to Norfolk. Norfolk has been removed, as has parts of the northern coast of North Carolina, but certainly for the outer banks, meaning within the next 36 hours or so, 36 to 48 hours, they could experience tropical storm force winds. Not expecting it very far inland, and certainly everywhere along the eastern seaboard will see higher surf with the wave action coming in from a very major hurricane. Coming up, though, we'll explain those other two areas out in the tropics and why one poses maybe a little bit more watching than the other in a few minutes.
All right, Chris, thank you.